Fixed my entire digital life with 10 AI prompts in under 2 hours. Welcome to the channel. Today I will share with you how I cleaned my desktop with just 10 AI prompts. If your laptop is a mess right now, I am talking about random downloads, weird file names, folders that make zero sense. This might be crazy, but I fixed my entire digital life in under 2 hours using just 10 AI prompts. My files were a mess. My folders made no sense. I was wasting hours just trying to find things. If your downloads folder looks like chaos, if you have random documents everywhere, or you keep saving things but never organizing them, you are not lazy. You just do not have a system or right system that helps. Simply how it works: install the Cloud Cowork Chrome plugin, Mac, download your prompt pack, open the file and follow the quick start instructions at the top. Copy and paste any prompt into Cloud. Let AI organize, analyze, and structure everything for you. That is it. No systems to build, no learning curve, just plug and play productivity. So I tested something. I gave good 10 specific prompts and let it handle everything. And what it did surprised me. It didn't just organize my files, it created a full structure for everything. It renamed my files so I could actually find them, summarized documents I never had time to read, and even turned my mess notes into something usable. It basically became my digital assistant. The crazy part, I didn't learn anything complicated. I didn't build systems. I literally just copy and paste this prompt. For example, one prompt cleaned and organized my entire folder system automatically. Another one read multiple documents and gave me one clear summary. One turned my notes into presentation, and the other one analyzed messy data and explained it in simple terms. So instead of spending hours doing boring work, let AI do it in minutes. And this is when I realized most people do not need more tools, they just need the right instructions or right system. So I took the exact 10 prompts I used, cleaned up, and made them easy to copy and use. If you want to fix your digital mess or desktop or laptop, save hours every week. I put 10 prompts into a pack. There is a link in the video description. Download the pack and you can use them immediately. Try just one of them and you will see how wonderful this is. It is probably the easiest productivity upgrade you will never make. And also viewers, I can show you the my store. Here is my store. You can get different products or proven tools. Here is the prompt. This is my real photo. Soon I will come without hiding, but temporary. Faceless now. For example, here the most advanced good prompts. Here are 10. These 10, these 10 are the titles of the prompts. These are not prompts, but the titles of the prompts. For example, number 1, clean up and organize my messy folders. And the outcome is also here. For example, a clean, organized digital workplace. Number 2, read all my documents and tell me what they say together. And number 3, turn my notes into presentation. Number 4, make sense of my messy data in a spreadsheet. Analyze this organized data and extract pattern insights and summaries. The outcome will be clear insights from confusing data. Number 5, rename all my files so they make sense. The outcome will be consistent in searchable file systems. Number 6, analyze my data and write me a report. Number 7, build me a project tracker. And number 8, convert my document to a different format and make it better. Number 9, research a topic and give me a full briefing. 10, audit my files and tell me what to keep, delete, or fix. These are the 10 titles of the 10 prompts, viewers. How it works already, I read it to you, and this is who this is for. For example, busy professionals overwhelmed with files, documents, or data, need faster organization and clarity, want to save hours of manual work, entrepreneurs, business owners, creators and digital workers, students and researchers, AI power users. All these can use this 10 AI prompts and to clear and to make it clean their desktop or laptop for making easier. This is what I have shared with you, viewers. If you are interested, also you can come to this website or my store. I will put the link in the video description. You can choose whatever you want. There are about 30 products and others are coming. You can choose what you want. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this new channel because I will upload many proven products like this video. Thank you.